Good morning, K1. Nice to see you again. Friends, today, do you know what we are gonna talk about? Yes, we want to talk about something that you can see in the car. Kalau naik mobil, biasanya sebelum mobilnya jalan, kita harus ngapain dulu ya? Yeah, we need to fasten your seat belt. So, can you fasten your seat belt by yourself? Or do you still need help to wear the seat belt? So friends, do you know why we need to wear the seat belt when we are in the car? Especially when the car is moving? Yeah, because when the car suddenly stops, you usually go front, right? Nah, the seat belt will help you to make you stay, so you are not turned away to the front part of the car. Yeah, and your head do not bumping into something, right? So that's why you need to fasten your seat belt when you are in the car. And now we are going to see how you deal with the seat belt, because I think you are big enough to put on the seat belt or fasten to the seat belt by yourself. But if you still have a car seat, you know what is that? A special chair that you can use inside the car. But if you don't have it and you need to put on the seat belt or you need to fasten the seat belt while you are in the car, I think it's gonna be good also. After you go inside into your car, now you can sit and take a comfortable position. And after that, look beside you. Let's grab the seat belt and then you pull it to the right side of your body, and now let's fasten it. You can place the shoulder belt across the center of your chest, okay? Friends, do you think is it safe when you are standing while the car is moving? No, it's so dangerous. Or can you put the seat belt near on your neck or behind your body? No, you need to sit and wear the seat belt properly. So friends, don't forget to always fasten your seat belt every time you get into your car. No matter where you are seated and no matter the distance you are going, always put on your seat belt, okay? And after this, you can try to wear the seat belt with your mom or with your dad, okay? Enjoy your day, friends. Bye-bye, goodbye.